Where's the drop-off point?
Behind the whole supermarket in a poor man.
Mr. Burgess, we'll be in touch.
I'm shot then, sir.
Oh no, you are not supposed to go anywhere near this case until we find out exactly how much your girlfriend knows.
Yes, sir.
You know it's because of you why she's not in this interrogation room answering questions, right?
Yes, sir. I'm aware.
We need to be alert and cautious about this agency right now. They're going to try to get to us, and they're going to try to go through the things and the people we hold dear.
Understand fully.
This situation is layered. And everyone is a suspect. I won't interrogate Patsy for now. But you better find out everything she knows.
I will, sir.
In the meantime, I want you to find out who Butcher may have messed around with or offended, make him get shot.
Okay, sir. You hear anything from Bossy?
Agent Walker, may I humbly suggest that you take care of your side of things. Bubbles is handling her stuff.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all. Suppose Patsy sit down somewhere. I listen to all of this. Nah. German, do me a favor. Keep an eye on Patsy for me. The slightest move when I look right, you call me. Only me. Alright, cool.
It look like them run my file deep in a bridging. I think you said them information they never up on the surface.
You're the one that got careless and got shot, you know. And that agency have access to most intimate information.
So boss man, you never know say it's an agent that are going a bridging.
You think I wouldn't give you access to that information if I knew?
Yo, if I didn't know still me approach it different in a bro. I could have lose my 3 points in a bridging.
You're lucky I acted fast and got your name in the system as a worker at the cable company.
And that I pray. My daughter nearly lose her father youth.
Dodga, why you decide to enter the premises?
Then I use them to scare them. I'm running upon them like monster shot my friend man and deal with them like Bob Marley and the Wheelers and Two Towel.
And the agent almost turned you into a ghost.
You know what my biggest problem? Them know I'm a baby mother there. I'm a daughter.
What you tell them, say Dodga?
Yo, what you mean by that?
Them call you in for an interrogation. So I must be curious what questions were asked and what you answered.
So minister, what you say? You not rate me? You pre me as a snitch.
I didn't say that.
But at that you pray. Remember loyalty over royalty, me say no minister.
Really? Mr. Different Money that.
Yo, what you say, brother? I defend my money, but when I sell out like 20 new products, I mean, you hear that?
I'm happy to hear that. But I know Mullins. He's gonna keep coming after you, and that going lead back to me.
So you want me do? Go for him?
You sound like you have a death wish.
So what you plan for deal with it?
You have to lay low for a while.
Alright. So what you pray?
Can't be Jamaica. It more than likely have to be overseas.
Yo, that is a plug out in them, fam. Talking to the next one.
This is not a request. You have to leave the country as soon as possible. I'll make the necessary arrangements.
So I won't be more than me youth.
I'll take care of them. Don't worry. If you stay here, the agency will come after you. I can't take any chances. After all, it's an election year. Just text me. I'll fix this and have you back here in no time.
Alright, that arrangement, Minister.
I understand. But it's for the greater good. You just think about that. And while you're at it, think about the safety of your daughter and your baby mother.
Alright, boss. Call the shots.
I'll get in touch with you with the details. Think me I go take no chance with you and your light mouth.